Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fernanda if you guys don't already know, and I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. I know I use this palette a lot, but today I'm going to be using these two brown shades. I'll be having the names listed down below in the stream so you guys know what shades I am using. And I'm just going to be placing these two shades right all over the eyelid because this is my transition color. So, you know, you want to have a little bit of browns. And I'm just going to be placing this, and I'm also going to be blending this. This is my Morphe 576 brush, and you want to blend this all nice and neat. So when you place your other color, your eyeshadows are well and blended. I'm going to go in with a black. You always want to be careful with the black because you can mess up your eyes. It's really hard to work with the black, I could say that. And I'm going to be placing this at the bottom and then add more and then blend. And I'm using the same blending brush. I'm going to go in with the Glamour Flock Concealer in shade Light, and I'm going to just try to carve out the middle part of my eyelids. This step is kind of hard for me, so yeah, bear with me. Going in with the Charlotte and Bloom palette and going in with that white shade called Charmer. You can use any white shade to set it, and then after you set it, I'm gonna go in with the Stila glitter by it's just like a Molten Midnight. That's what it's called, Molten Midnight. And I'm just gonna be placing this where I cut the crease. It's kind of like a green shade, black or something like that. Then I'm gonna go black in with the black, and I'm just gonna be placing this right in the inner corner, the outer corner, and in the crease. Going in with Bean. This is like a very bright white shade, and I put this in my brows and in the inner corner of my eyes. Then I'm gonna just apply some lashes, and my eyes are pretty much done. So this is the outcome of my eyes. By the way, my face was already done. I'm gonna go in with this Anastasia lipstick and just apply this all over my lips. Going in with the Smashbox primer water and just spray this all over my face, and then grab a fan and just fan this out for any water spots. So this is the end of the look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It would mean so much to me. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell next to it so you guys could know whenever I post a video and you guys won't miss it. So make sure to subscribe and press the bell button. And see you guys next time. Bye.